going to take you out. This is here my sister. She very is cuddly with our guinea pig. Our black guinea pig, you can't see him because he's super fast. His name is Brownie since he's black.
Pee on my hand.
The guinea pig peed. The guinea pig peed. He peed in his own cage. Yeah, he peed. Yes, I just need to film you for a second. Yes. This is my dad here. He is so funny. And he got that car. He's right there. He's waving his hand.
I love you.
And I love you too. That's all about my dad.